Looking at the iPhone 5, and I will be doing an unboxing here live at the Stanford Shopping Center. So looking at the phone, it's pretty neat. You know, its case is pretty cool. It's longer. I'm gonna take out my other iPhone 4S to show you the size difference. So this is the iPhone 4S. This is the iPhone 5. So let's go ahead and open it up. So as you can see, it's much thinner and much longer than the regular iPhone. So let's go ahead and fire it up. See, it's much thinner than the previous model of the iPhone. As you can see, this is on Sprint. Sure. Yeah. So, okay. So it's turning on, and you can see the difference. So I just got it from the store. So let's go ahead and turn it on. English. Next, see if it has its connection. We'll use cellular connection. This might take a few minutes. Connecting to the Microsoft Store. I'm going to use the Microsoft Store's Wi-Fi to do the backup settings. So this might take a while. And we're just going to use it, restore. We're going to use it as a new phone, so I'll restore it later. So up and close look at it. So this is how thin it is, and that's the new connector port. So let me see. And as you can see, it's very thin. The phone jack is on the bottom, and yeah, everything is sort of different. So right now I'm using my iPad, but my iPhone 4S is dead. So this is the difference in the thickness. As you can see, it's slightly shorter. Yeah, so right now it's just restoring from backup. So it's about 25 minutes. So I'll let you know how it goes when it's done. In the meantime, I'll show you what else is in the box. This is the iPhone 5 case. I just took it off, so let's go ahead and open this up. So it comes with the new charger.
So I've got a charger at the other table.
I just got one.
Oh, they got you one?
Yeah,
awesome.
Thank you. So I just got this is the new charger cable. Comes with another back charger and the new headphones, which come in a neat sort of case. Yeah, other than that, there's some other stuff in here, but I don't feel like taking it out right now. Hold on, let's see what else is in here. No, that's it. Well, yep, that's the iPhone 5. Get one. And there's there's instructions in here. It says, hello. It probably comes, this is the instruction manual. And yeah, I guess that's it. They don't give you any more stickers, I guess. But yeah, that's it. Other than that, we're out here at the Apple store. There's still a line. People, you know, waiting. See, it's almost full. Over setting up phones, and the store it's pretty busy.